Are your sprint planning meetings causing team frustration? Tapping into everyone's insights to create the right plan can be tricky, especially when you have team members that work in a different office, city, or time zone. And complex tools that are supposed to help can throw up more roadblocks. That's where Span Workspace comes in. It gives teams simple digital tools needed to visualize their sprints and include remote team members. It's also versatile enough you don't have to give up your favorite processes. Here's how it works. To prepare for your sprint planning session, start with a big digital canvas. It's simple to set up with flexible groups or a custom template. Your product backlog can be added as notes, so you're all set for the sprint planning meeting. If more data is needed, just add hyperlinks. Has your team already estimated some of the items? Write the story points directly on the notes. Go ahead and use a text box to put your initial sprint goal on the canvas. It's easy to adjust later. All set? Now it's time for the meeting to start. Open up the canvas on a shared display so your team in the room can see it. At the same time, remote people can pull up the canvas on their laptop or phone. Despite the distance, they'll have exactly the same view as everyone else. As your team examines the backlog, they can ask questions and raise issues. Anyone can update the notes if needed. Once everything's clear, your team can drag the right number of items into the sprint. Whether they're standing at the display, sitting down using their devices, or joining the meeting from anywhere. Now on to part 2, breaking things down. If your team uses sprint planning to dissect stories, Span Workspace makes this simple. Everyone can create notes at the same time and add them to the canvas. Span Workspace is built for people working together. No technical hang-ups or awkward turn-taking. And anyone who's remote can add tasks in real time too, like these testing tasks here in green. It's almost like being in the same room. Got all the tasks you need? Has a sprint goal shifted? Just update it right in the canvas. And what if your team uses Jira software to manage the details? No one wants to spend time inputting all those notes into another tool. So we've made it a snap to sync them with Jira. No transcribing required. If Jira is not your thing, let us know what integration you're looking for. Now you're ready, with a sprint plan that was truly a team effort. And whenever anyone needs to take a look at the canvas, just log into Span Workspace and it's right there. Do your sprint planning sessions look a little different? No problem. Span Workspace adapts to exactly how you work. It's all about technology in service of your team, not the other way around. With Span Workspace, you have real-time tools that clear away frustrations and make sprint planning incredibly simple for people gathered in a meeting room or joining from anywhere. Ready to add Span Workspace to your next sprint? Start your free trial today.